first of all thank my boss, the Deputy Governor, for nominating me for this assignment. I think this is a very good Father's Day gift to me. Because since I came in here, I've been enjoying myself from the service to now. It has been a beautiful time. I want to appreciate every one of you, and I want to appreciate the CMO for the great work they are doing.
We want to congratulate all fathers here and the ones that are not here. We want to appreciate you people. Our Mama here, Her Excellency, I've said it all in the church. Fathers, we appreciate you so much for everything that you're doing for us at home. We celebrate you today. That's why we gather here, me and my ESCO, to come and celebrate you people and support you.
I want to start by appreciating every daddy that was able to come here. I want to say we love what you do. We love the strength and the power you give to us. Do you know that sometimes when we get a little bit offended, and you say, I want to go and answer, that will just say, forget. You go call your friend and say, I be one go ask him, my dad is saying, a pastor make not go. You remember those things? Sometimes when you want to say, I want to reply this person, you just say, forget. Because of the fact that is the head, he has said. So many times, like my own home, he quenches a lot of issues. He takes decision over a lot of things. Something was happening around my house according to what mommy said. B. I said that he said, now that man, they open door. You can imagine if he was not around that day, I would run under the bed. You know that coffee, they say, hey, look at it. He said, listen very well, they are not breaking doors. It's like somebody is knocking. You know, every little thing, you will always report. As you go to pick a child in school, and the child is running temperature, just before, Daddy, Osaman made a wrong temperature. You won't even go to your doctor first. You go to say, hey, take her to the hospital now. He's in a seminar in Dubai, you will call him first. You know, we appreciate you, daddies.
I greet you this afternoon and want to also join to wish all of us, the men, happy Father's Day. And I want to thank our mothers and our wives for the support that they are giving us. Today they were electrified with our men's choir. I've never seen them dance like that. I saw them dancing, and when I looked at our choir, I discovered that it was all men. So that means even without the sweet voice, the boys were sweeter for the women. We'll continue to serve God. We don't even have a choice about it. Because God has been faithful to us, and God has been our pillars. I want to particularly thank my lovely wife. She has been a pillar. And it's good to have a good wife, and it's good to have somebody that is your soulmate, that's really your partner. Wife is not all about marriage. Wife is about friendship, partnership, sister, mother. Maybe some person will say, maybe because I lost my mother too early, that is why I call her my mother. No, because she played all the roles of sister, mother, and everything. And I'm sure our mothers, that is the role we play in our lives. And I want to just use my wife as a point of contact to other families that may not be enjoying the benefits of good relationship. That as you come here today, through you to other persons, that God will touch every family to live happily ever after. Because marriage is meant to be enjoyed. And when marriage is enjoyed, they produce good children. Because together, you are supposed to bring up these children. And when you fight every day, you are teaching the children how to fight. And that is why we have Boko Haram and every other thing everywhere. So for me, I want all of us, as we celebrate this year's Father's Day, for us as men, please, Yes, we are the head of the house. Please, don't play down the might aspect of you being the father of the house. And instead, emphasize and amplify the love that God said we should give to our wives and our family. You are the head does not make you to be Superman. Please convert that energy of Superman to loving and organizing the home. I know sometimes, like my wife said in church today, that speech was very good. I was almost shedding tears. She surprised me. Yes, sometimes women may be nagging, but the patience is yours to be able to accommodate everything. I tell men, I say, look, you have to have that open mind to be able to tolerate the good, the bad, the ugly. And if you can accommodate the good, the bad, the ugly, that means you can be a true father in your home. How many of us know where our children are right now? How many of us? How many of us know what they are doing right now? How many of us know who their friends are? How many of us expose our children to internet and understand what they are doing in internet? It's our responsibility. Let us build our homes, and I'm sure by the time we do that, because that's your home, that is where the next governor will come from. That is where the next president will come from. When you have a child that is brought up in the Lord's way, when he gets there, he will do exactly what God asks him to do, and we'll have a better society. God bless all of us. Happy Father's Day.